Cherie, EAS. Come on here. Oh, Cherie, come and press the button. Press this one, Cherie.
No, you do it.
And this one right here.
Do it.
Radio public warning alarm system for transmitters.
Yep.
Mommy's off it. And Dad's off
Neighboring portions of
it. She's
Kansas
really
So he
excited.
does know my name.
during potentially
Yes! I got it. Good job, Jeffrey.
Well, that was exciting.
Yep. This is Cherie's first weekly test.
hazard. The alarm
Thanks,
tone
Jeffrey.
Now listen to this Paul's voice.
alerting you to the impending emergency broadcast.
Remember to the Paul's voice to put your camera clock.
System are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m.
That's right, first get started in time.
Weather. The test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return to our regular programming.
And when the tones go bird sound. And there you go.
At 11 a.m. in Lincoln, it was sunny.
Thank you.
The temperature
Oh,
was
thank
26
you.
degrees.
See what he does like here? This is
Is
when
that
he,
like a shopping mall?
like a shopping mall.
The wind was out.
Okay, that's it.
That's it. All right.
That was
Thank you.
the first
My
what-
first time.
weekly
Weekly test.
of the
Emergency alert system.
Emergency alert system.
required
You're required.
Once a week.
weekly.
Weekly test.
You might be interested.
Yeah,
Especially during the summer, right?
yeah,
During severe weather week, right?
yeah,
Okay,
That's what he
is
does.
that it?
yep,
Okay, bye. See you next time.
yeah.
Okay.